think we should start the writing. What's the first thing that happened today?
Meet Lilac.
Yeah, we met Lilac. We talked to Lilac. Where did we go? We were inside of
Village.
We went to the village inside the storybook.
And they go to Lilac.
Yeah, and we saw the ghost of Lilac. Okay. So how can we start that? You can either start it like today. We went to. We have to use past tense for this. Saw, past the saw. Yes.
Goes to Lilac.
The ghost of Lilac. The ghost of Lilac. And let's remember, we have to use some of the vocabulary that we've learned today. See if I can look at it. Mishap catcher's best. Think of a word you can use here. And what else happened? We saw the ghost of Lilac. And then what? What happened next?
Talking to Loki and Monica, Charlie.
Yes, and Charlie and Elliot.
Yes.
So we can just say we talked to the villagers. The villagers. But okay, is there any word here that you can use for that? Maybe vast. There are many villagers. We talked to the vast amount of villagers.
Talk to West.
Vast amount.
Amount.
Amount
Amount.
of villagers.
Of villagers.
Then what happens? One of the villagers, Elliot, what did he do? Where did he take us? Where did he take us?
He was river.
Yes, to the river.
He came us to river.
And what's wrong with the river? What happens? I think there's two words you could use. You pick. You can either say a tragic incident or there was a mishap. Do you think the river with no water, is that small or is that big? Is that a big problem or a small problem?
Big problem.
It's a big problem. So it's tragic. So what's tragic about it? There's no water in the river.
It's tragic.
Or you say tragically. Tragically, there's no water in the river.
Tragically. Huh?
Tragically.
Ah.
Tragically.